More than 4 billion devices with AI-powered assistants and 7,000 AI tools have been released since 2022. That's a big number. Amongst all this AI jam, there are some tools that can make you super rich. From saving time to creating content for you, this video will introduce you to 7 AI tools that will help you generate money in no time. So, click on that subscribe button and start your journey into leveraging AI to make some bucks. 7. Opus Clip. If you're someone who's having trouble creating short-form videos as a content creator, this tool might be right up your alley. Since Instagram introduced its short-form reels, long videos have taken a backseat. Even people who were adept at making vlogs now have to keep up with YouTube Shorts, or else they risk losing money. Opus Clips is your saving grace because it does exactly that. It cuts up your long video into interactive and engaging chunks in just one click. That's cool, but what else do you need to know about Opus? Well, firstly, it uses the latest GPT technology to identify and extract the most engaging moments of your video. Then, it uses these selected short clips and rearranges them into a structured, viral-worthy format. But that's not all. The structure of the clips is such that each clip first has an attention-grabbing hook, then a content-rich body, and it ends with a call to action. You can customize the clipping process based on keywords, your desired clip length, and visual elements. It's flexible, easy to use, and quite honestly, pretty sophisticated. It also generates a virality score of your clips, so you can know the potential of your videos. That's a money-making tool right there that can help you strike it rich. 6. 10Web. IO and Durable.co. These two tools are a no-brainer for people who own their own businesses and want to streamline their order processes. Efficiency is key here. Yes, you can say goodbye to the times when you had to hire a website designer, pay a hefty amount of fees, and spend hours curating a design that suits your brand. Think of these tools as WordPress, but on AI steroids. In fact, 10Web is WordPress that's AI-powered as it helps you generate templates that are similar to it. One of the coolest features of this tool is that it can analyze and optimize an existing WordPress website or churn out an exacting design just like it. On the other hand, Durable helps you create an aesthetically pleasing layout and SEO-optimized page, all within a matter of seconds. You just have to enter basic information about what you want, and then you can edit, add, or remove sections and pages. Plus, you can even use AI to generate new content for your website. Oh, and Durable even comes with supporting AI tools that can help you market your business. Overall, it's a one-stop solution for your business and marketing needs. Trust us, this is the time to cut corners and dive into these two AI tools to generate and save some money. 5. Tidio AI. Are you a small business owner who is stumped about how to manage customer service? Before you spend tons of money on hiring a customer service specialist, hear us out. Or should we say, hear Tidio out? Because this tool is the panacea for all your troubles. Tidio is the most affordable AI chatbot tool in the market at the moment. For starters, it helps you manage customer relationships whilst you're busy doing other essential things. It'll empower your customer service teams and allow them to deliver exceptional experiences, drive sales, and increase client satisfaction with the brand. You can effectively engage with a growing customer base and create long-term relationships with your clients by making them feel important with one-on-one attention. The coolest thing about Tidio is that it's adaptable. Basically, it'll go through your page, extract information from your FAQs, and tailor its answers accordingly. Additionally, it can help customers track their packages, answer complex questions, and remember the context of previous conversations. What's more, Tidio AI is multilingual, which means that it can interact with your customers in languages ranging from French to Portuguese, English, and more. Now, you don't have to deal with a ton of queries on your own, and you can refocus on efficiently increasing your sales. Trust us, if you miss it, you'll miss out. 4. Microsoft's Copilot. Since Microsoft's legendary launch, we're all avid users of its products. In fact, it is such an essential part of our life that we can't imagine working without it. From creating presentations to storing data, all Microsoft products are a part of every workplace. However, sometimes it becomes a tedious task to keep up with them. People who use these apps for a living wish for an automation tool that can help them in their journey. Well, enter Microsoft's Copilot. Do you remember Clippy, the classic Microsoft Office assistant? Copilot is an upgraded AI version of that. Simply put, you can embed it in your Microsoft Office 365, and it will help you in doing tasks such as crafting presentations, creating documents, as well as reading and summarizing emails. Moreover, it's pretty versatile as it provides assistance across Microsoft Teams, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Word. This means that if you find yourself stuck figuring out pivot tables in Excel, or if you are striving to stay organized in your inbox, Copilot is readily available to lend a helping hand. When you automate these tasks, you can save yourself time, and you know what they say. Time is money. 3. DocuAsk. Another efficient way to save time is by using DocuAsk AI. Even though the name says it all, we'll give you a rundown of how you can use this tool to make yourself some extra bucks. First of all, you can ditch reading lengthy documents word by word to extract relevant information. That's old school. All you need to do is upload a document on DocuAsk and pose a question to it. Using the capabilities of natural language understanding, aka NLU, the tool will understand the question and retrieve relevant information from the document to answer your query. For instance, you can ask for sales reports from a specific quarter or the number of contracts signed in a specific year. Seconds later, you'll have your answer in a conversation form. The innovation behind DocuAsk AI lies in its ability to make document management more intuitive and user-friendly. By breaking down the barriers of technical language or complex search commands, DocuAsk allows users to interact with their documents in a manner that mirrors everyday conversation. It's accessible, easy to understand, and time-efficient. 2. ChatGPT Writer. One of the main purposes of ChatGPT is to make your daily writing tasks easy and a no-brainer. It did cut down plenty of time for writing blogs and scripts, however. For tasks like drafting an email or writing a reply, there was quite a lot of friction. For instance, to write a reply to an email, you'd first have to copy the email, paste it into the server, guide ChatGPT to write a response, and then copy the reply back. You could have probably written the reply yourself. But then came another tool, a simple ChatGPT Writer Google extension. Now, this cuts down all the extra tasks we highlighted earlier. You can directly generate email replies within seconds with this extension. It's a simple tool, but it's so effective that it ends up saving your brain all the effort and ultimately time in the long run. 1. Adobe Firefly. This AI tool is an attractive venture for all content creators. If you're not ready to take your content to the next level with Adobe Firefly, you're missing out. Big time. Adobe has released 3 brand new models under Firefly. Its generative AI brand ranging from Firefly Image 2, Firefly Vector, and Firefly Design. Now, one of Firefly's standout features is its ability to transform sketches into photorealistic images. This way, it bridges the gap between traditional sketching and the immersive realism of digital visuals. You can translate your hand-drawn concepts into aesthetically pleasing, lifelike representations. Plus, you can even use it to write captions suitable for your content. Now, for all of you worried about the issue of unauthorized use and potential theft of artistic work, Adobe is tackling that as well. As part of its strategy, the company is actually developing a groundbreaking solution known as the Do Not Train system. This will empower artists by providing them with a means to proactively block artificial intelligence from being trained on their creative output. In all honesty, this tool looks like a game changer for all things visual. From brand consistency to refined text prompts, Firefly is your tool to make it big in the content game. Which of these tools do you plan on trying out first? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned for more things AAI.